One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share why they are so happy with us. We love telling everybody about it because we are focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it is imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from one of our happy customers. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.